everybody, welcome to my vlog. Now I gotta show y'all something. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How you guys doing today? And I gotta show y'all something. Now let's see if I can get this right. This right here is my pool. And it's Pop, see? It's Pop. Because of a certain dog popped it. Now I don't want to be mentioning no names, but here is the dog that popped it. Scrappy! Look! Say hi! There she is, I can see. Oh yeah, there she is. Don't bark, don't growl at me. You know who I am. Yeah. What's wrong, Scrappy? You don't like my vlog? Say hi. Look, say hi. Oh. Spill my soda. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this pool, if they're trying to fix it or what. Oh, there's Freya. There's Freya. There's Freya. What the heck, Freya? Hey, Freya! I love y'all. I'm gonna turn this around for y'all to see. There they are. There's Scrappy. There's Freya. Running around going cuckoo. Where you going? What the heck? Look, guys, this is my pool. It's popped because of that one right there popped it. She runs loose. She runs. Hey! Stop! This one got sharp nails, so she likes to pop it. So she likes to jump on people and bark at them, and I guess. Would you stop? Scrappy, stop barking! Scrappy! Scrappy! Haha! You got stuck! Oh! That one likes to run for some reason. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna go ahead and let Scrappy into the house. I'm coming, don't worry. And keep your underwear in the bunch. Okay. There you go, there's Freya. Howdy. Hey, Scrappy. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. Tell him hi. You popped my pool. You better apologize. Hey, you better apologize. Scrappy is 2 years old, I think. And Freya is 4 years old. Gypsy is about 9 years old. And my other dog, my husky I have, Rusty, he's about 8 or 9 years old. So, I don't know how long. I think we had him since 2013. Yeah, Gypsy since 2013. Rusty since 2015, 2016, or 2014, I think. And then Scrappy we had since 2019, because my friend Michaela actually got her. And I met her sometimes around my birthday, so yeah. There's Scrappy. She's a bit of a handful. Ain't that right, Scrappy? Ain't that right? Let's say yeah. Bruh. Dogs. Anyways. I'm gonna go see. Hey, would you stop it? Would you stop following me? I mean, I know you're lovable, but dang. Anyways, let me go try to see if I can fix up this pump right here. I mean, this pool. I don't know why I said pump. This pool. Might as well just get another one. Let's see. I don't know what to do with this pool though. Should I fix it? Try to see where the hole is? Should I get another one? What do you think I should do, y'all? I mean, I doubt my comments are turned on, but still. You can follow my Instagram if you want. Having fun, Gypsy? Yeah? Yo, Gypsy, say hi to my vlog. What the? That's how you say hi? Is that how you say hi? Yeah? That's how you say hi? Really? Oh, Gypsy! Gypsy, speak. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What do you see? Guys, she got stung on her nose right here. I don't know by what. We didn't see anything, but yeah. Yeah, she's okay. You okay, Gypsy? And you gonna roll over again? Like I said, this dog right here, Gypsy, is about 9, 8, 10 years old. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this vlog go and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later and I'm gonna show you guys how to repair it for my next video. How to repair a swimming pool. If it's possible for me to fix everything. But if you guys like this vlog, please give this video a thumbs up and I hope you guys like this video and then subscribe. Alright, bye guys.